Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that every time that I drop something new, uh, you definitely get notified. So what are we doing today? We're just talking, just another chill day. I think I want to talk about the weather, I guess. For the past few days, I've been noticing that the weather has been really crazy. It's been really, really rainy. It's flooding in different areas of Texas, Arkansas, places like Pine Bluff, Mississippi, all over the place. Like I just seen on the news where like in Pine Bluff, Arkansas, they have it's so flooded there that the water is above their houses. So sorry to hear that. I wouldn't know what to do because I can't swim. So I really wouldn't know what to do if I was in that situation. Um, Sorry to hear about that. Sorry that y'all are dealing with that. Comes along with the territory, I guess. So, just hold, hang in there. The summer's coming, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to be a very hot summer. So, I, you know, what can I say? We can't control the weather, even though the movie Geostorm kind of suggested that we can. So, I don't know. See y'all later.
Feel just like a rock star.